This is the COMEXION M100, a noise cancellation for talking Bluetooth headset. Yes, that is a mouthful, but this is basically what you get here. A nice size headset. One of the things that I appreciated is the fact that it has an adjustable boom mic, so you can adjust it on either side, so you can wear it either on the right ear or the left ear. And plus this ear cup here, it's not static. It's pretty dynamic. You can, once you have it on your ear, you can actually move it, or it's adjustable. Also, too, USB-C. A lot of our devices today are USB-C, so it does come with USB-C cable here. One other thing I didn't mention, of course, this is the USB-C power cable, but you can also connect it with the headphone jack. And you plug the USB-C in here, obviously, and you can have a hardwired connection. I haven't tested that yet, but I have tested it on my iPhone, and the sound quality is actually really, really good, especially, when you think about, the price. This is kind of a little bit of a generic label here, of course. Nice size buttons. What you see here, this is the main power button. This is the volume rocker here, and this will allow you to connect, disconnect calls, pairing, and so forth. It does have a nice comfort band here, so for wearing it for extended periods of time, it'll work out pretty well for you. What pretty amazing here is when you look at some of the specifications, one thing that jumps out to me is this working time. So 34 hours you can be talking. So you could pretty much be talking straight for a day and a half, on these this headset, and still be good to go. Standby time 400 hours. Who's going to be standing by? But for truckers and people who drive trucks, they're on the road a lot, so having that is an awesome feature. Pretty easy to connect. Comes with these set of directions here. Pretty easy to follow, especially when you consider things that are a little bit more directly made in China. It tells you what the package contains, and it gives you the basic operations here. You can do voice dialing, of course. You can connect your voice assistant to it, but overall, very good sounding device. I think the whole secret is the fact that you have a boom mic, and here they actually call it noise cancellation for talking. I don't know that it actually has noise cancellation built in. I couldn't verify that, but I think the noise cancellation may actually be the phone tip. Maybe that may help, but it is actually a pretty decent device, especially for the price. I think it was, around like $40–50. I can't remember exactly, but I think you would actually be pretty happy with this device. Take care.